Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
Actually walk around inside my closet now. So yeah, I grabbed, we're gonna take the dash cluster bulbs that I bought a while back. We're gonna bring those with us. The oil cooler that just came in. We're gonna bring the seats too. We're gonna go ahead and bring them. I'm gonna start clearing out this closet. I know I just took those off a couple months back, but again, gonna try to clear this out. And yeah.
One eternity later.
We're here! Alright, got the back seats back in and all secured. If you're wondering how I did this, I have a video right here. Just do the opposite and you'll be good. Alright, we're going to do the bash bar first. And then hopefully everything else will just come out after that.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
It's a little bit tweaked up, but I think it's still usable. Oh yo, it's straight up broken in half, bro. Oh my god. Damn. I mean, it did its job though, clearly. That's nuts. So is this like a horn? I don't know. I think it's big as shit and heavy. If it is. Also, the oil fan, obliterated. Absolutely obliterated. God damn. Okay, I guess we'll take the mounts off. I don't know what else to call them. Bash bar mounts, I don't know. But looks like just 4 bolts, so it shouldn't be too bad. I do know that the radiator support welds, or bead welded, right about here. So that's going to be fun. But we'll get to that when we get to that. Hopefully if I take this off, then I can get to the rest of this. Because I don't know where the hell this is mounted. Somewhere in there.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
It's 2 screws. Not those 2, but these 2. So you can kind of imagine where they're at. But they're not too bad once you get them loose. And then yeah, just those, and then 2 right here. Next we're going to tackle the fan mounting bolts. hard part's breaking all of that loose. It was actually bead welded there, but the one at the salvage yard was beaded up here. So I just need to take a look at it, see what you're working with. But once I got that all broken loose, I believe it's just a matter of wiggling it off now. Oh, the hood latch. Let's see here.
A few minutes later.
Okay, we're making some pretty good headway now. Oh shit. Frame is definitely just a little bit bent, and of course I forgot my mallet, so I'm gonna have to come back, just get it banged straight. I'm gonna work on getting the oil cooler off in a little bit. Next, I'm gonna work on getting the radiator stuff out. I figure I'm just gonna take everything out, one thing at a time first, and take this hose off and take the fan shroud out. It's in a couple different pieces right now, so it should be easy. It's those two right here. It should just come out. Alright, well, I didn't really tackle anything in any kind of order. Honestly, I kind of just whatever was in the way or whatever was in front of the other, I kind of tore off of there. One thing though, I was calling it an oil cooler this whole time. Apparently, I don't know what the very front, like, freaking thing was on there, because the radiator and then the oil cooler was actually horizontally attached to that. So whatever was in front of those two, I don't know what the hell that was. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what I'm doing. I took a picture of that part number and I'm gonna look it up later and see what I need to replace now, because whatever it was trashed. But yeah, I'm gonna come back with a mallet, straighten those up. I have everything plugged, well, most everything plugged, so that dirt and shit doesn't get in there. I'll take the fan off, and yeah, this is by far the furthest I've ever taken off a front end of a car before.
Nothing